Welcome to Handy Hawaii, Oahu's premier repair and remodel contractor. We love what we do. We arrive on time at the scheduled time. Are you still stuck with popcorn ceilings? Well, get those out and give your ceiling a beautiful, smooth finish fast. We can be there fast and get the job done fast. At Handy Hawaii, we don't cut corners. Popcorn ceilings? We'll remove them fast. Give us a call at 808-457-7788. Whether it's scraping popcorn ceilings and giving you a nice smooth finish, or a small repair to your cabinets, we do it all. Contact Handy Hawaii anytime. We'd love to earn your business. Give us a call at 808-457-7788 or visit our website by clicking on the link. Give us a call at 808-457-7788 or visit our website by clicking on the link.